Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day. And today I want to share with you a very cool, productive product, especially if you have a laptop and you're on the go. And this is called the Puncube Minimal 3-in-1 Portable Laptop Desk. This was sent to me by the company to review and to share with you. And it all started on Kickstarter, which is a crowdfunding site, and now it's available through their website. They did send me a referral link that has promotions on there, so I'll be sure to put that in the description as well as in the comments section. And even though this was sent to me, I'll give you my unbiased opinion and I'll show you how it works. It is a little tricky, so this video will hopefully help you with that as well. I think this comes in other colors. This is like a leather feel to it. It can handle if it does get wet. And it has a lot of other good information there on the back as well. So nice packaging, and this is a nice gift, especially if you've got somebody who's on the go a lot and want to give them something that's minimalist, lightweight, can fit in your bag, and how awesome is that? Okay, so the way this works, first of all, it works as a portable laptop desk. So you can use this to angle your laptop. It does have magnets to it, so it helps stay closed like that. And also for when you want to put your laptop on here. So the way this is going to work is you're going to be able to open it like this. You're going to fold this up, and then you are going to take the end and you're going to lean it against this part of the desk right there. And that goes right into the groove. Now, when you get it, what you might want to do is just run your finger right along there. So the groove is there. And now you have one height. Now, the other way you can do this is you can take this part, fold this in, and now you've got another height option if you want to go with that as well. So let me actually fold this up like this. And now you've got another angle. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you at the higher level first with my laptop. I've got a 14-inch laptop. It's a little heavy. And you also have this lip here where you could lean your laptop against there. Now, as you can see, you've got one angle for your laptop, or you can go on the shorter side, as I mentioned. And now you go on the shorter side, and that is the other angle. And then you could simply just work like that when you want to type, and it seems like it holds up well even at the higher angle. If that's what you want to do, you can do that as well. Actually, let me fold this up and like this, and then again you are good to go. And you can see this sits right on my lap. And now you could be productive. So if you're sitting at the airport or whatever it is, you don't need a place to sit and work. Now you could pull this out and this becomes your mouse pad. How cool is that? Now the mouse that I use is called the ProPoint. It's nice and small, by the way. If you are looking for a great mouse and switch from traditional, highly recommend it. And now you've got the mouse pad section of the desk. How awesome is that? So now you can really be productive. And then the third way that you can use this is a place to write notes. So you could slide this in, you could take a pad or some paper, and this is magnetized as well, and slide this back in like that. And now you could write notes. So if you're out and about, let's just say you're somebody who works out of your car a lot, but you also, let's say you go to a construction site and you want to take notes, you can use this. You get back to your car, you could then turn this into your laptop desk. So it's a really, really practical product, a lot of great uses, and it's really awesome. And again, the only other thing when you get it, you just want to make sure, which I learned is that right there, you just want to kind of just put your finger there so the groove is there for you if you have any problems, if you find it slipping. But otherwise, you should have no problem at all, and it works perfectly well. For me, as you can see, I'm pushing down, and that is with a lot of pressure, and it's perfect. So nicely done by the company. Check it out today. Again, all links and information will be in the description as well as in the comment section. And If you found this video of help, greatly appreciate a thumbs up. Helps the channel. If you're not a subscriber, and fine, I add value, click that subscribe button and of course the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So as I keep coming out and sharing products that are cool like this one. All right, have a great day. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.